Good day, everyone. It's me, Teacher Ray. Let us learn mathematics easy and fun.
Quarter 3, Week 5, Mathematics 4. Objectives. Determines the missing terms in a sequence of numbers. Find the missing number in an equation involving properties of operations. For our review, let us keep counting by 4, 6, and 7. Look at the sequence of a number. We have 7, 10, blank, 16, and blank. So what is the missing term? From here, to find the missing term or terms in a sequence, we must first look for its pattern. Look closely at 7, 10, blank, and 16, and blank. In the number sequence, each term is formed by adding 3 to the preceding number. Okay, so we have 7 plus 3 equals 10. So we have 7 and 10. No? So the missing terms are 10 plus 3 equals 13. And 16 plus 3 is 19. So first is 7 plus 3 equals 10. So we have here 7 and 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. So the next is 13. And then 13 plus 3 is 16. No? And then the last one is 16 plus 3 equals 19. See to it that the pattern is true to the whole sequence from 7 to 19. So this is the answer. We have 7, 10, 13, 16, and 19. So the missing term is 13 and 19. Okay, so a list of numbers arranged in a row is called a number sequence. Each number in the sequence is called a term. We have here, find the missing terms in each of the following numbers. So look at the pattern. We have 23, 25, 27, 2 missing terms, and 33. So what is the pattern here in number 1? To get the missing term, we need to add 2. So 23 plus 2 equals 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. 29 plus 2 is 31, and then 33. So same as 2. Number 2, what is the pattern here? We have 32. To get 37, we need to add 5. So number 2 is adding by 5. How about number 3? So descending pababa, 85 blank 77. So how to get 77? You need to subtract. Here in number 4, descending pababa din yung number niya, 64. So how to get 57? You need to subtract it to 64. And number 5, ascending pataas naman siya. So we have 1, 2, 4 blank, 11, and blank. So you need to get the pattern. An equation is a mathematical sentence that states the equality of expressions. Look at these equations. Could you give the missing numbers? So letter A and letter B, we have 10 times 2 plus 10 times 5 equals. We have 2 blanks here plus 5. So what is the missing equation or terms? Letter B, 4 plus 5, 40 plus 5 plus blank plus 15 equals blank plus 15 plus 40 plus 30. So that is the equation, an example of an equation. So how will you make each equation correct? Try to evaluate each equation. In the first equation, you will use the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So we have letter A, 10 times 2 plus 5 equals 10 times 2. We need to distribute 10 to the two given. No? 10 times 2 plus 10 times 5. Okay? So here, 2 plus 5, we have here 7. So 10 times 7 equals 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 5, 50. So 20 plus 5. 10 times 7 is 70 equals 70. So in an equation, you need to make each equation correct or equal to each other. So here is the distributive property. So we need to, the two equation is equal to each other to make it correct. In the second equation, you will use the commutative property and associative property of addition. So 40 plus 5, 30 plus 15 equals 5 plus 15 plus 40 plus 30. So we have here 40 plus 5 equals 45. 30 plus 15 equals 45. 45 plus 45 is 90. 5 plus 15 is 20. 40 plus 30 is 70. 90. So they are equal. So for your learning task, keep the missing number in an equation below. So 6 times 5 equals 5 times 6. So what is the missing term? So we have 5 using the commutative property of addition or multiplication. So that's all. Thank you for listening.